Welcome to the session on creating array, attributes and array objects. Creating array. NumPy array is a powerful n-dimensional array object and is used in linear algebra, Fourier transform and random number capabilities. NumPy is used to work with arrays. The array object in NumPy is called ND array, that is n-dimensional array. We can create a NumPy n-dimensional array object by using the array function. What is array object? NG array is a n-dimensional array object defined in the NumPy which stores the collection of the similar type of elements. In other words, we can define a ND array as a collection of the data type D-type objects. The ND array object can be accessed by using zero-based indexing. Each element of the array object contains the same size in the memory. Creating array. We can create 0D arrays, 1D arrays, 2D arrays or 3D arrays. This is example for 0D arrays, that is zero dimensional arrays. Import NumPy as NP. Using this NP, we can create an array. NP dot array is a function. We need to pass the element. So there is no dimension here. The 42 will be printing as output for this zero dimensional array. This is 1D arrays. So here we are creating array with the values of 1 to 5, but here we are using square bracket. For 0D array, we didn't use any square bracket. There is no dimension. Dimension represented using the square bracket. If it is having one square bracket, that is one dimensional array. This is example for two-dimensional array. See here, we are using, this is one dimension, this is another dimension. So at the end, we can see the number of dimensions because it is closed with the two square bracket. This is example for two-dimensional array. And this example for 3D array. This is the elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4 part of values we are having, but here we are having 3 square bracket closed with the array. That is, this is having 3-dimensional array. Array attributes. In NumPy, attributes are properties of NumPy arrays that provide information about the array's shape, size, data type, dimension, and so on. NDIM, it returns number of dimension of the array. Size, it returns the number of elements in the array. D-type, it returns the data type of elements in the array. Shape, it returns the size of the array in each dimension. Item size returns a size in bytes of each element in the array. This example for NDIM. So this is array with the values. If you are printing arr.ndim, ndim gives the number of dimension of the array. See here we are having two square brackets. So this is two-dimensional array. 2 will be the output for this program. Size. So here we are having array with this values. If you are printing arr.size, this will give you the size, the number of elements in the array. So number of elements in this array is 6. And this is shape. So here we are having an array. If you are printing arr.shape, this will give the shape of the array. That means number of rows and number of columns. So in this array we are having 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2, 3 will be the output for this program. And this example for D type. So this is array.D type. So based on this value, the data type will be. Here these values are integer data type. So we are having integer as output. Item size. So here we are having two arrays, arr1 which is having some values and arr2 which is having some the same values. But here we are having the data type as np.int32. So it is printing the size of the elements of the array. So since it is an integer 32, it is printing 4 as a item size of array 2. We are not passing any data type here. By default, it is taking integer 64. So the size for this array 1 is 8. So array 1 is an array containing 64-bit integer by default, which uses 8 bytes of memory per element. So item size returns 8 as a size of each element. Array2 is a array of 32-bit integer. So each element in this array uses only 4 bytes of memory. So item size function, here it is returning 4 as a size of each element. Thank you.